Imagine stepping into a home where nothing feels out of place. No rush, no clutter, no endless piles staring back at you. Just calm, just order, just peace. That's the Amish secret, a way of living where the house almost cleans itself. Strange, right? But it works. And today, here in Rustic Pantry, we uncover how their quiet habits can change the way you see your own space. Stay with me, because this isn't about scrubbing harder. It's about living smarter. The quiet simplicity behind Amish order. Walk into an Amish home. You notice something immediately. Calmness. No clutter in the corner. No chaos spilling from shelves. It feels like time itself slowed down. That's not an accident. It's discipline woven into daily living. Their homes are not filled with endless decoration or random objects. They are not chasing trends or filling rooms with plastic containers. Their secret is simpler. They treat their homes like living spaces, not storage units. And that changes everything. You see, order is not about tools or apps. It's about mindset. The Amish mindset whispers, simplicity is the key to spotless living. Living with less, but living with purpose. The Amish own fewer things. But strangely, they never feel deprived. Why? Because everything they keep has purpose. Each chair is sat on. Each basket carries weight. Each spoon is used. No item just sits there like a ghost of money spent. They don't ask, do I want this? They ask, do I need this? That small change creates massive order. Imagine opening your closet and seeing only what you actually wear. Imagine drawers filled with tools that actually work, not broken junk you're too tired to throw away. Less is more, but not in a stylish, Instagram-perfect way. Less is more because less makes life easier. The rule of one place for everything. In Amish homes, chaos doesn't have a chance. Why? Because everything has a home of its own. The hammer always hangs on its nail. The coat always finds the same peg. Children learn this rule young. Use it, return it. No waiting, no dumping. It's a quiet discipline that saves hours of wasted searching. Think of your keys. How often do you lose them? How often do you panic at the last minute? That doesn't happen in Amish households. Because if something doesn't have a place, it doesn't belong. Harsh maybe, but powerful. Functional furniture over fancy furniture. Their furniture tells a story. Simple, wooden, strong, nothing too shiny, nothing too fragile. But here's the secret. Every piece does more than one job. A chest stores blankets and doubles as a bench. A shelf is both storage and beauty. There are no useless glass cabinets full of trinkets. No overstuffed couches that sag after 2 years. Their homes breathe because they only hold what works. What lasts? It's not that they hate beauty. It's that they believe true beauty lies in function. Imagine replacing cluttered decoration with items that serve, items that endure. The space itself begins to look cleaner without you trying. The rhythm of daily reset. Here's the part most people miss. Amish homes don't stay spotless because of big cleaning days. They stay spotless because of tiny resets every single day. After meals, dishes done. After sewing, tools away. After chores, brooms back. Nothing waits for later. Later doesn't exist. Later is how clutter wins. You've seen it in your own life. One plate left in the sink becomes 5. One shirt on the chair becomes a mountain. The Amish stop that cycle before it starts. Order becomes invisible, automatic, just part of breathing. That's why their homes don't need decluttering projects. They never let clutter grow roots. The power of shared responsibility. Walk into an Amish family home in the evening. You'll see something striking. Children sweeping floors. Teenagers stacking wood. Parents putting away tools. Everyone plays a part. Cleaning is not a punishment. It's community. It's pride. No one person carries the whole load. That changes the atmosphere completely. In many modern homes, one person, usually mom, carries the burden of endless cleaning, and resentment grows. But in Amish homes, responsibility is shared. Small tasks are given early. Respect for space is learned young. This makes cleanliness less of a chore, more of a lifestyle. Seasonal deep decluttering. Amish homes breathe with the seasons. Spring arrives, windows scrubbed, curtains washed, floors polished. Autumn comes, wood stacked, tools sharpened, storage prepared. These rhythms are ancient. They prevent chaos from ever building up, because the work is done before it's needed. Imagine if you tied your cleaning to seasons instead of waiting until overwhelm strikes. Each cycle would refresh your home, refresh your mind. The Amish don't wait until things fall apart. They move with nature, and their homes reflect that flow. Quality over quantity in every item. They don't waste money on endless replacements. A single broom may last years. A handmade quilt may serve generations. This mindset alone kills clutter. No pile of broken plastic. No drawer full of cheap, forgotten gadgets. They own less because what they own lasts longer. Think about your home. How many items broke too soon? How many cheap things sit unused? The Amish choose durability, and durability makes life cleaner. A home filled with long-lasting tools is automatically lighter. Hidden storage in plain sight. You won't find giant walk-in closets in Amish houses, but you will find clever use of space. Hooks along walls for coats. Benches that open for storage. Wooden boxes tucked under beds. Every inch works quietly. They don't buy expensive organization systems. They use creativity. They use carpentry. They keep it simple, yet efficient. Look around your home. Corners wasted. Gaps unused. The Amish would never let that space go to waste. They would turn it into quiet storage. Cleanliness as a reflection of mind. For the Amish, a spotless home is not about showing off. It's about peace of mind. A messy space reflects a restless mind. A clean space reflects discipline. And that discipline creates calmness. You feel it when you step into their homes. The air feels lighter. You can feel it in yourself too. Walk into a messy room and your chest feels tight. Walk into a clean one and you breathe better. The Amish know this truth deeply. Order is not just physical, it is spiritual. The habit of fixing, not replacing. This is one of their greatest secrets. When something breaks, they don't toss it aside. They fix it. A broken chair gets mended. A cracked dish is repaired or turned into something else. Curtains get patched instead of replaced. This habit keeps homes free of broken junk. It also builds respect for possessions. In modern homes, we keep piles of broken things because we hesitate to throw them away but don't use them either. The Amish don't allow such clutter. They repair. They repurpose. They release. Organization as a way of life, not a chore. And here lies the heart of it all. The Amish don't see organization as work. They see it as life. It's not a separate task. It's not something you dread. It's simply what you do every day, without question. That's why their homes remain spotless without the constant struggle. A home treated as sacred stays clean. A home treated as a burden falls into chaos. Their secret is not magic. It's mindset. Once you begin treating your space with daily respect, everything else falls in line. Your home breathes. Your mind rests. Peace becomes normal. And that's the truth. The Amish don't chase spotless homes. They live in ways that make spotless the natural state. Simple habits. Shared discipline. Respect for what they own. It's not magic, it's mindset. So maybe start small today. One drawer. One corner. One rule of everything has a place. Watch how fast the change begins. If you felt inspired, don't forget, you're part of Rustic Pantry now. Here, we find beauty in order and peace in simplicity. Until next time, live simple, live calm, live rustic.